Welcome to the unboxing of Fillmed M-HA 18, brought to you by Medica Depot. Fillmed M-HA 18 is a skin revitalizing filler designed to deeply hydrate, smooth fine lines, and improve elasticity. The box contains one pre-filled 1 milliliter syringe and 2 sterile needles. This product is ideal for treating fine wrinkles, crow's feet, smile lines, and perioral lines. The name M-HA 18 reflects its precise formulation: 18 milligrams per milliliter of pure hyaluronic acid. Fillmed M-HA 18 contains 18 milligrams per milliliter of sodium hyaluronate and 20 milligrams per milliliter of glycerol in a balanced phosphate citrate buffer. This combination replenishes lost hyaluronic acid and maintains long-lasting hydration and tone. Fillmed M-HA 18 has a lightweight, viscoelastic gel texture that integrates smoothly into the superficial dermis.